Sunday, December 22nd. Gathering in some sun rays. Admiring the chemtrails in the sky. But today, look at it, man. It's so beautiful. The only thing is, and I'm going to say this too, and I don't know what people believe about chemtrails. I believe it because they're right in your face. I mean, and they're right there. And I don't understand this for the life of me. I mean, even since I left, there's like about 3 or 4 more. And it's not like they dissipate. They spread out. And look over here. If you're looking over here, you can see how that whole cloud system right there developed from a straight line. Look at that. Okay, wait. Now let me look at this even better, because you could see it even more right here. Look at this right here. Come on. Look at it. They're straight going down. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 right in a straight line. Then there's one there. And then if you look at this cloud system right over here, you could tell that was developed from those lines. I'm telling you, something's not right. There's a shot right there. You tell me what you think about that. Okay, look at that. There's an X right there. I just got done, and now there's new ones as I speak. New ones being formed right in an X. Come on, folks. I can't even see the airplanes. I could see that one. I mean, these are just airplanes taking off? The airport's 4 miles from here. The airport for Rochester is 4 miles from, not even. It's less than 4 miles. If I got in my car, it's a hop and a skip away from here. But look, X in the sky. X in the sky. All right, like I said, tell me what your thoughts are on it, because I don't understand how somebody had to organize that. It's not like somebody just, out of thin air says, I'm gonna drive a plane. Now, look, okay, now as I'm talking, there's another one going. You can see it. One just went that way. One went down that way, and now there's another one going that way. Oh, and these are just, planes traveling to their destinations? Come on. I'm just saying, if it's legitimate, explain it to me. I'm not saying I believe in it or I don't believe in it, but I'm saying you got to be pretty dumb to be walking and that you can't observe this in the sky right now. Are you telling me as I'm walking, I'm seeing things? That I'm seeing X's in the sky? That I'm seeing like 1, 2, 3, 4 going in the same direction that way and then spreading out, turning into clouds? I don't know. Anyways, so what do you think? Are chemtrails real? Are they a figment of our imagination? Or do they really exist? I don't know. I think they do exist. How they can operate and how they can administer it, I can't understand. There's more chemtrails flying in X's, straight lines. I'm surprised there's no loop-to-loops, but there's one making one right now, and it looks like just a regular plane. And maybe, I don't know where they're coming from. Let's see, that's west, and that's north. So let's see, west of here would be Buffalo, so they could be taking off from Buffalo. I don't know. They could be taking off from Buffalo and getting their altitude. I don't know. But I think that's weird how they make smoke like that. I mean, look at that. That's just normal? Is that normal? Is that normal plane exhaust? There's an X right in front of my eyes. X. There's one. There's a second X. There's a third X. So you see what I'm saying? Look at this. 1, 2, 3 X's right in a row. Okay, there's another one right there. And this one's coming from east. Oh no, I take that. But yeah, he's coming from east. So where would he be coming from? I don't know. New York City? Yeah, it could be coming from New York City. That plane could be cut, but then if it's coming from New York City, okay, they could be on their way anywhere. Let's see, they're headed west, but it's northwest. It could be Chicago, it could be Detroit. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's look at these chemtrails again. There's that X. There's these 3 X's, and look at how they're spreading out from the first time. Okay, remember I talked about those 3 X's? Okay, there they are. Yeah, they are. 1, 2, 3. There's those 3 X's, and look at how they're spreading apart right there. Okay, when I first showed the 3 X's, they were just thin lines. Now they're still there, and they're getting wider. So it's not like they're, you know, it's not like they're clearing up. Okay, and then let's go back here and look at where those straight lines are turning into cloud formations. I don't think I'm imagining that, folks. It's not like a cloud was moving in from the east or the west and we saw a cloud moving. We're talking about trails that are spreading out and then turning into clouds. And then as I'm speaking right there, there's another one starting. Another one right there. I don't know, man. I'm telling you, just something. All that sky right there that was just recently, none of those clouds moved in from anywhere. Like when it rains, you could see the clouds move in. None of these clouds are moving. They started out as lines and they turned out into clouds. Okay, new one's forming right there, and there's another plane. Okay, so that plane's coming from, I'm gonna say that one probably looks like it's coming from Buffalo and maybe going to Toronto or Canada, because Buffalo is in the direction that one's coming, and going up in that direction would be flying towards Canada, and the next biggest city in Toronto would be, or in Canada would be Toronto. So I'm gonna say that's a possible, but like my question is not really where the planes are going. We know we have airports in different places. My question is, where is all that coming from? Where's all the, you know, the stuff that they say is just plane exhaust? Why isn't it okay after say maybe, you know, a couple miles, it kind of just disappears? Why is it widening out to form a cloud? That's my question. Even Jesus talked about when you see the sky lowering, and you could tell when it's going to be a nice day and a bad day because you observe the sky. Okay, now I could observe when clouds were coming in. I could observe when a storm, especially with the snow, you could see snow clouds coming in. When you're traveling on the highway, you can see places where it's raining and that you're going into a rainstorm. You can see those things. But these things, okay, here, these things, look at it, it's just all over the place. All over the place. Okay, I think I got my point across for that.